Hey, it's John, Vets Helping Others. Welcome back. So it is a cold one this morning. Yeah, so it is Monday, November 20th. Yep, November 20th. It snowed the other day. Yes, 2 days ago. Anyways, yesterday, Sunday. It snowed Sunday yesterday. So anyways, today I got an excavator job. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me to check it out. So this is a guy that during the Oregon fire, north of Spokane a little bit, there was a bunch of people, like 180, 190 people lost their houses, or 190 houses lost. So this is one guy, his name's Brendan, pretty good guy. Got to figure out how much I'm going to charge him. I don't know. Anyways, he needs to extend his pad out, so I need to dig around his pad basically, so we can put concrete down and tamp it down and widen out his pad. I think he's got concrete coming Wednesday or Thursday, so I got to get this done today, so that way they can build the forms tomorrow, and hopefully the ground will allow the concrete to set and all that crap. Anyways, just started the excavator. It did not want to start this morning. Battery, the cold got to the battery. I got a new battery for it. I just got to put it in. Anyways, I just jump started it. It's warming up in the gravel pit. I got my big Ram 4500 started up and getting warmed up. I am currently in the Ford. Well, you are on the Ford. Currently in the Ford, doing my runarounds. It's just easier while everything's warming up. I gotta hook up the dump trailer, go in the gravel pit, and get the excavator loaded up, chained up, and head to Brendan. So I will see you guys when I get there. All right. This is John, Vets Helping Others. So we're up here, but he isn't. And I don't have signal up here, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. What the hell? Anyways, it looks like he's already did a lot of it, so I don't know if he even still needs my help. So anyways, that's what I was supposed to be doing, was digging that area out and around the pit or things and moving all that scrap and all that stuff. Anyways, a few little bit survived, but a lot of it didn't. All those rigs down there, yep, no, didn't make it. Greenhouse, all that stuff burnt. So this is just one out of 190 houses or properties that burnt. It's bad. Anyways, these guys need help bad. I guess I'm gonna unload my machine and go and drive down to where I have signal, call and figure out what the hell's going on, because he was supposed to be here and he's not, and I was supposed to do that today and it's already done. So I don't know what he decided to do. So anyways, I'm gonna figure out what the heck's going on and go from there. I'll let you all know. Alright, so I got a hold of the guy. I drove down where I had signal. He was on his way back. He had to go drop off the excavator that he rented. Anyways, he's on it. He's right behind me, actually. So I'm on my way back up there to unload the machine and start working. So I typically charge, normal fee is $150 an hour, $100 a day for the dump trailer, and $1.50 a mile hauling crap. Anyways, so what I'm going to do for this guy, and it might sound like a lot, but really it's not, I'm going to donate my time. I'm going to donate the dump trailer fee, and I'm also going to donate the $1.50 a mile hauling fee. Okay, and I'm also going to break down the normal $150 an hour range down to $75 an hour. So that's half price for the excavator and donating everything else for free. So what this guy just returned, the excavator that he rented, he's not a very good operator on the machine, he said, which that's a matter of opinion. He could be great, but to him, anyways. So basically, I'm trying to help that guy as much as I can, but yet still not be out of pocket. So $75 an hour, that will include the machine, fuel, time, dump trailer, and hauling service. So all in all, he's getting a pretty good deal. Everybody might think, oh, 75 bucks an hour is a lot, in which it is, but the machine is expensive as shit. The dump trailer is expensive as shit. My truck is expensive as shit. Expensive, very expensive. All of it. I'm trying to help the guy out and get stuff done. So anyways, we're on a time crunch. He's got to get this stuff done before the ground freezes so he can get his concrete in and get his house put in. His house is going to be delivered in 2 weeks, so he's got to get this stuff done. Anyways, stay tuned. I'm going to unload the machine after I get there, and yeah, I'll show you what all needs done. So stay tuned. All right, so I've already started working, almost got the pad done. So we got 2 foot out where he needs to get the footings and all that stuff. We still got to backfill with gravel and pack it and all that crap. And then on the back side is 4 foot. But yeah, got all that done ish. It took me half an hour, wasn't too bad. And that is, yeah, it's obviously not completed because we still got to backfill with gravel and compact it and level it, put the bevel on it, whatever, for the footer and all that stuff. So 2 foot or 1.5 foot, and then 4 foot. So all the rest of it we got to do back here. We had to do a holy crap perimeter, like 6 foot this way, 4 foot that way, 3 on each side, and yeah, all that metal has got to go. So right now, also working on, and I forgot to start videotaping, but anyways, I'm working on getting this here cleaned out. So this kind of, it all burnt down too, obviously. But I got to get all this cleaned out. I don't know exactly what he wants to do with all this stuff, but yeah, hazardous material, I guess you would want to call it. Whatever, call it burnt stuff. Anyways, he's got a bunch of areas that he wants to backfill and get done and slope and do a lot of landscaping, but he wants to do that now while he has a chance. So I'm waiting on him to get back. He had to show me what to do, what he wanted done, his big picture, and then he had to run to the store, bank, and somewhere else. So anyways, yep, I'll keep you all abreast of what's going on and keep you tuned. Thanks. Okay, so we are done ending day 1. I'm going to kind of show you what I did. So leveled all this stuff out. I think I already showed you guys, but I can't remember. Anyway, got all this stuff done for the footers, 4 foot in, yada yada yada. I think I already showed you. I'm tired. All right, got all that stuff done. Also cleaned out quite a bit of this whole big ass thing. So Yeah, just got a lot of little odds and ends stuff to do. I gotta scrape all that stuff away from the wall so I can pick it all up. So, all right, that is the end of day one. I got some work for Chaz to do, so I'm gonna go get him. He's still about an hour out from home. Anyways, I got some work for him to do. See if he wants to do it, and we will get him up here so he can see what the heck is going on, so he can bid the job. And anyways, thank you for watching day one, helping Oregon Fire people. All right, thanks. Bye.